Before the creation of Nigeria in 1914 through amalgamation by Lugard, colonial masters, the Igbos are known to be the largest or one of the largest ethnic nations in West Africa. They are known as great warriors, merchants, farmers, travelers, and etc. The Igbos live in eastern Nigeria, West Africa.
Go.
My name is Chukwunonso. I am from back to motherland Africa. When I get to Igbo land, I have to meet with some first-class monarchs.
Highness, we're Dr. Emmanuel Igbo. I'm the traditional ruler of the OAU community. The OAU community is an ancient kingdom in Enugu metropolis. We are under Enugu Eastern Senatorial District, comprising of 6 local governments, 6 municipal centers, and we happen to be the first because we are the eldest. And of course, you know that Enugu State is the center of Igbo land, precisely the Enugu where I hail from. So that is all about my community.
I'm trying to ask them what they think about diaspora and Igbos or African American that trace their roots to Igbo land and what they have to say.
When you see people who wants to be part of you and so on, and it's just about where they will be able to settle to indigenize them accordingly, there is no problem. There is no problem. Because this community harbors a lot of other kingdoms. There are several other traditional rulers that can come under me. What I don't have, they have it. What is more important that those who want to become, those who believe they are more comfortable tracing their roots to this place, will be more comfortable as well to receive them, and we provide them all that they require at an appropriate time.
Right, that's amazing. I think that's the real bit of this interview. I want to know if you have any topic or any program in place for this Black Americans, because we have a whole lot of them.
It's our duty as well, Father, to be able to welcome them. It doesn't really matter actually on identification or verification. What matters most is where does their love lie. Somebody might come from my family and discover that his root is my family and said, I don't care. I don't want to give the battle of that family. So there's nothing you can do. So, but when you see somebody who desires much to become part of you, what else do you do as a king? Our duty is to embrace the person.
I never see.